I'm gonna try to make this quick, and I will do like a breakdown when I get home. God, I'm hot with this damn sweater on. It's starting to get hot, y'all. And if I take off this sweater, I'm gonna look like a little Lucci. So I'm gonna try to make this super quick before I start sweating like a pig. So I put a post up on my community tab, Flavor Wiki. They posted up a ton of surveys. I don't even know if I'll be able to share them all. I didn't, because it's just so many of them. It's like more or less just check and see if you have them. And so I probably will get around to adding them all, but it's like literally like 20. And so there is a ton of offers for cereal bars. Now, I pretty much answered the surveys the same for all of them, and they all went through, so I did get approved for all of them. Again, there's 20 different offers. Now, with Flavor Wiki, you can go to any store unless it specifies a specific store. Some of the offers are like strictly online or whatever. But for the most part, you can pretty much go to any store that you want to. I went to CVS to see if I could find the like the single bars, because it does say that you can do any count as long as it's the same product. So I went to CVS to see if I could find, because they usually have a little, individual snack bar section. So I went there first. I found I think 4 of them there, but Stater Brothers is in the same parking lot, and I was like, I'm pretty sure it's cheaper at Stater Brothers. So I went to Stater Brothers and I found 6 of the products. I'll pop up a picture, but I found 6 of them at Stater Brothers. All right. And, well, I'll just show you. Okay. So I found 6 of them there, and they were all, of course, super cheap, and they should work for the rebate. All right. And I think they all cost me like $13. Let's see. They all cost me $13.57 for all 6 of them. I found the Lenny's. Is it Lenny's and Larry's? I found this one. I found the RX one, which they also had this one at CVS, but it was like, I forget how much it was at CVS. And then I found the Think one. I found the Gatorade. I found the Cliff. And I found the Quest. All right. These are the 6 I found there. All 6 of those bars ended up being, I want to say like a $21 moneymaker, which is so awesome, right? That was that. And then I went to Walmart, and I found all of them except the Fruit Loop one. And I did go to 2 different stores. I did a Walmart pickup, and I actually put the wrong store. So rather than cancel it, I just went to that store. So that's why I went to 2 different stores. Gosh, there's so many bars here. And I don't know what I'm going to do with these bars. What I'm thinking of doing is just donating them. I know that the homeless shelter, they don't really want to take food that's open, but I thought if I just take them out the boxes and put them in a bag, they are individually wrapped, it should be okay. Or just take them like that. It's the box that's open, but at least they're individually wrapped. So I thought about just doing that. I'm going to see which ones that Josiah will eat. So really quick, I'm not going to show you all of them. I'm not going to show you all of them. Let me just tell you the ones that are like the highlights that you probably want to get. The first one is the Nature's Bakery, the raspberry one. This one right here is, these things are heavy. They weigh a freaking ton. 200 calories per bar. These are, $5.83, and you're getting back $13.74 on Flavor Wiki. So this is almost an $8 moneymaker for this one. So this is one you definitely want to go for. The Fiber one, the fudge brownies, these are like one of my favorite. I remember when we used to get these from CVS. Where is it? This one right here, one of my favorite. Fiber one fudge brownies, these right here. These were $3.48, and you got back $8.74. Now, when I checked online, some of this stuff, I didn't see a smaller. I went for the cheapest one I could find, but when I got to store, I saw they had a smaller one, and so I got this one. So that's a good deal because it's a $5.26 moneymaker. And what's another one that was good? Ooh. The breakfast protein. Oh, no, where is that one at? Is it this one? Nope, it's not that one. Is it this one? Yes. And for Flavor Wiki, you can put everything on the same receipt. I have done that before, but today I did split it up. Well, I had to go to one store for the pure protein because the first store didn't have it. and nor did they have the Fruit Loop one. But the first store, I pretty much got all of them on, well, I got them all on 2 receipts. I put all the kind bars on the same receipt just to make it easier. This one right here is the almond butter one. This one is $4.98, getting back $15.24. So if you want to just go and just get like, well, if you can find any of them, the single bars, that's your best. Oh, that's not even like that. You can find any of the single ones, that's your best bet. But if not, these are the 2 right here that I would say go ahead and grab. All the other ones are moneymakers too. Like, I think all of these ended up being a moneymaker except like one of them. One of them cost me 2 of them. The pure, here I am trying to talk really fast. The pure protein one cost me $108. This is the one that cost me the most. And then the fiber, I'm sorry, y'all, please. I'm trying to talk fast and I'm sitting here stuttering. The fiber one, chewy ones, those cost me 13 cents. But this is like a box of 15, so I'll pay the 13 cents. 13 cents for this. All right. All of the other, ooh, and the Cliff Bar for kids. That one cost me $2. Where is it at? I mean, technically speaking, it didn't cost me nothing because it's all a moneymaker, right? I'm starting to sweat. I'm starting to get shiny, y'all. Let me hurry up. This one cost me $134. It was $5.58, got back $4.24. But all the other ones were moneymakers. Every single one. The Kellogg Fruit Loop, if you can find that one is $6.34, you get back $6.24. So that one is a cost of 10 cents. But at the end of the day, this is some massive money makers. And so when I get home, I'm gonna set everything up and give you guys a final breakdown. The other thing I wanted to mention really quick with Walmart Cash, whenever you don't get your Walmart Cash, you guys contact customer support, because I had to contact them, well, multiple times, but every time that I contacted them, they gave me a promo code, right? It's for curbside, and they gave me 1 for 10 off of 15. Of course, at the time I was telling them, I was like, well, if I was supposed to get 10 and I didn't get the 10, now you offer me a 10 off of 15, I got to spend 15 to save the 10 I should have gotten in the first place. So in essence, I'm spending $5 more. That's what I was kind of like, that's what I was spending at the time. But when I thought about it, I was like, you know what? I could still use these. And so mine, I had 2, one expire on the 7th, one expire on the 8th. So what I did is I went online, ordered something, used a promo code. I got coffee that I gotta buy anyway. And I got the 48 count. Yeah, I got the 48 count K-Cups. $16, right? I saved the 10 off of 15. I saved that. So I only paid like $6, right? I paid $6 for this. And I got 2 of them because I had 2 promo codes. And so I did 2 separate orders. And I paid $12 for 2 of these. I normally buy the big box that's like $96, and it's like almost $30. And I got both of these for $12. So I thought that was a really awesome deal. So if you got those promo codes and you don't think you're gonna use them, just use them for stuff that you gotta buy anyways. You know what I mean? I have another promo code. It's 5 off of 10. And so, but that one is good till like April or something like that. But other than that, I'll see you guys at home for a final breakdown. If you guys have any questions about Flavor Wiki, there's no referral code for it or anything like that. It's pretty easy to use. Like I said, they have surveys. You do a pre-qualifying survey first, and you either get it or you don't. I don't get them all. But this time I actually got all of them. So like, if I show you guys all the boxes of freaking bars that I got, you guys would be like, what the hell? Like, what the hell? Look. You don't believe me? You don't believe me? Look. Yeah. All these dang bars. What the hell? Joseph's gonna look at me like I'm crazy. He's gonna be like, babe, what the hell you gonna do with all them bars? What you gonna do? All these damn bars. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna donate them though. I'm gonna try it for the survey. That's what I was saying. So once you actually, they approve you for the survey, the surveys will pop up pretty much right away. And then it tells you exactly what to buy. You make sure you buy the correct product. And again, for these, it did say that you don't have to get the size pictured. You can get any count as long as it's the right product, right? Once you purchase it, you go home. It's going to ask you a bunch of questions. It's going to have you try it. And then you submit your receipt, and it's super easy. It goes to your PayPal. Just one thing I don't like that they changed about Flavor Wiki. I don't like this at all. But what they do now is they send you an email Once you are going to be reimbursed, they send you an email that you actually have to click to accept or confirm the payment, and then it goes to your PayPal. So it doesn't go directly to your PayPal. So make sure that you're checking your emails, because if you're not, you could accidentally delete it, and then you don't get it on. Now you're thinking that the company is shiesty or whatever, when you just accidentally deleted the email confirming the payment. And so that's one thing I don't like. I don't like that at all. That sucks. I think they should just automatically pay you like they used to, but they don't do that anymore. So, but I'll see you guys at home for a final breakdown. As always, thank you guys so much. Oh, I didn't say my whole spiel. If this is your first time seeing his lovely face, blah, 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 blah. Subscribe, blah, 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 blah. Hit the like button, blah, 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 blah. Make sure your post notifications are on. But you already know that, right? Come on. You already know that. I don't gotta tell you that, right? So I'll see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, guys. So here is my complete haul for today. This worked out really good. I ain't even gonna lie. I have not even started my surveys yet. We just got back from getting Josiah from school. So I'm gonna start now. I don't know how long it's gonna take me, because I did get 19 out of the 20 items. Again, these were the single bars I found at Stater Brothers. Everything else we did find at Walmart. And so everything you see here retails $86.52, no sales tax on food. And then we should be getting back $137.79 from Flavor Wiki, making this a $51.27 moneymaker, which is awesome. Now, really quick with Flavor Wiki, once you are approved for the survey, you're supposed to have up to 5 days to actually buy the product and do the survey. Someone mentioned that it's been going faster than that, or they've been giving less time. I normally will buy mine and do the survey the same day. I usually don't wait any more than like 2 days after purchase though. And I haven't had any issues at all with being reimbursed. And so other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you. In the comments, I want to see cookies, since we have a lot of like, I don't think there's a protein bar in the emoji, but let's just put a cookie emoji, our chocolate chip emoji in the comments if you make it to the end. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow for my Walmart midweek haul. All right, bye guys.